This is the Cosmos Atomic 30 liter black plus navy blue laptop backpack. If you want to buy or searching for a sturdy, long-lasting premium backpack for everyday use, then this is the right video for you. Stay tuned and watch the video till end. The front portions of the bag is with navy blue and sides with the black, and this is the Cosmos branding on the front pocket. Other two color variants are also available. There are three main compartments with two mesh pockets. One of them is a bottle holder. I'll show you one by one. Two wide straps which are cushioned also makes you feel light even when you are carrying heavy load. Back portions are heavily cushioned for comfortable feeling. Lower portions contains rain cover. Look at the wide cushioned handle for carrying comfortably. Hook is also given for hanging the bag. Now let's first open the middle compartment, which contains few organizer pockets. One of them with zipper. I'll show you. This is. You can keep some articles inside the pocket with zipper. In front of that pocket, there are also two organizer pockets. These are for keeping important articles like this mouse or any other article like this Bluetooth speaker. This type of articles can be accommodated easily inside this organizer pocket. There are also three pockets for keeping pen. These are. You can keep few more articles in the free space of the compartment. Here. Now let's open first front compartment, which is easy access pocket. You can keep here several articles which you need frequently. Now let's open the third and main compartment of this backpack. This compartment has two segments. The front portion can be used for carrying garments, books or any other necessary articles. This sub-compartment is more spacious with respect to the previous two compartments. You can see here. And the rear cushioned portion is exclusively reserved for the up to 15.6 inch laptop. This is the 14-inch laptop, so it can easily accommodate inside the laptop compartment. The laptop compartment is highly cushioned to protect the laptop from any damage. This backpack is made up with lightweight polyester. Cosmos branding is there, you can see. It is durable and easy to carry. It can be cleaned or washed manually. If you are looking for a price-worthy and durable backpack, then try it out. Now let's come to the side pockets. One of them is a bottle holder, you can see. So we'll show you how to keep your bottle intact in this pocket. This elastic cord helps the bottle to stay steady. You can see here. There is also a small side pocket in the left. You can see here. This is. The zippers are premium and runs smoothly. This backpack has 1 year brand warranty from Cosmos. And the price of this backpack is 1999, but got the product only at 1400 rupees from Amazon. This bottom pocket contains the rain cover with the branding Cosmos. We'll show you. Attach the Velcro strip and cover the bag in this way. It will protect the bag from rainwater. You can hang this bag effortlessly with this hook. You can see here. Dear viewers, I will share my sweet experience with the Cosmos backpack. This is the backpack I have purchased in 2018. This is my first backpack from Cosmos, and still I am using this backpack from 2018 to 2024 without any issues. I am showing you side by side. The right side has the old and the left is the new one. So dear viewers, I think you have understood the durability of the product. So if you want to buy sturdy premium laptop backpack, then directly go for it. It is highly durable, premium and fits with your style. Thank you.